Hi, thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to be making an Easter trifle. It's called Easter trifle, but actually you could have it any time of the year. It's just a beautiful pastel cake that's layered, and I think that it's going to be a great addition to our Easter meal, but it could also be used for showers or Mother's Day get-together banquet or anything like that. So I hope that you'll follow along. It looks really easy. I've never made it before, but I think we can do it. So let's get started making this beautiful cake. Okay, these are the ingredients that we'll need. We'll need 2 boxes of a white or yellow cake mix. And then we're going to just simply follow the instructions on the back. So for each box, we will need 1/2 cup of oil, 1 cup of water, and 3 eggs. So we're doubling it. So we're going to have 1 cup of oil, 2 cups of water, and 6 eggs. So we're going to mix all those together. And then we will also need food coloring. But we're going to have a purple, a teal, a pink, and a yellow layer. So, and then we'll come back in a minute and I'll show you what we need for the cream mixture. Okay, we will need 4 bowls because we're going to be making 4 different colors. So we will mix all of it together in one bowl, and then I'll just split it up among the others. So let's get started here. I have a preheated oven at 350. Okay, now we will divide it up into 4 equal amounts. I think we're going to start with about 6 drops of each food coloring here. Okay, that looks pretty good. Yeah, 6 seems to be the right number of drops. Okay, that seems to be a pretty color. Oh, this is exciting. This is going to be so pretty. Pull these together here so you can see all the beautiful colors. Won't that be so pretty? Okay, let's get them put in the pans. I only have 2 pans, and they're actually 9-inch. You really should use 8-inch, but it'll be fine. I just won't make them quite as long. And the instructions on the back of the box, we will not follow this time. We will be baking them at 350, but only for about 20 to 25 minutes. So check it at 20 minutes. You don't want to get it too done. All right, I'll go ahead and get those in the oven, and then when those are done, I'll do the other 2 colors. You know that they're done when they start pulling away from the side and they spring back when you touch them lightly. Or you can put a toothpick in the center and it should come out clean. Okay, they're ready to go in the oven. The others baked at about 22 minutes and they were done. So let's get these started. Okay, they're all done and cooled. So now the next thing to do is to tear them all apart, kind of like you would do for cake pops. So we'll go ahead and start with the purple here. And ooh, look how pretty that looks inside. And then we'll just crumble it up into small pieces. And then we will set aside about 1/4 cup of each color, and we'll mix those together to put on the top of the trifle. Okay, we have all the cake crumbled up. Look how pretty that looks. Now, one thing that I did notice is that the little bit of brown around the edges, you could cut that off if that bothers you, but I don't think it's going to be an issue. So, see what I mean there? It's just very pretty. So for the filling, we will need 8 ounces of whipped cream cheese and 12 ounces of Cool Whip. and 14 ounces of sweetened milk, sweetened condensed milk. So we will go ahead and start by the cream cheese and the milk. This is a 12 ounce, so I'll just use most of it here. Okay, then we'll beat that together, and then we'll fold in the Cool Whip. Okay, that looks pretty good. And then this is 16 ounce, and we only need 12 ounces of the Cool Whip, so we'll just guess here. Okay, well, the phone died before I could get this finished, so we put one layer of the crumbs down, and then topped it with some of the topping, and then we'll just keep alternating different colors. So next we'll do the yellow. Then another layer of the topping or filling. Okay, then next I think we'll do the blue. The last one, pink. And then last but not least is the very top. So let me kind of mix those in a little bit. I guess that kind of hides any of the little mistakes at the top there. Look at that. Isn't that so pretty? I guess the purple layer is definitely the thickest layer. But that's all right. It's gonna be delicious. And that was a little time consuming, but it was fun. It would be a great idea for grandkids or kids to help you with. It'll be very fun. I hope that you'll make it and enjoy. Come on. I think I'm gonna wish I had a bigger bowl. I'm going to put it in a bigger bowl. About 6. And this is just always a guesswork. Come on. Beating together 4 or 5.